Hi everyone, welcome to my digital reliability channel. So today we are going to uh, see about using Shodan through CLI mode. I mean command line interface method. Okay. So for that, it is better for you to have a uh, API key for that. And as I am focusing on most of the free tools and free options and not the paid ones from the beginning, I am from that point of view. It's all up to you how you want to proceed. And first of all, you need to log in to Shodan account through Gmail or some other account. You need to log in and then you need to create the account. Then you need to obtain the API key. Okay. So then you can use the API key to interact with whatever the options available with Shodan. Okay. So without that, it is really hard. Okay. So now I will help you to know how to use Shodan through CLI mode. Okay. Yeah, let's start sharing the screen. Okay. So this is Shodan where I have logged in. Right now, I'll guide you some ways to use it. So first of all, just to be in line with whatever the updates are there, just try sudo apt update. Right. Sudo upgrade -y. Okay. So we have updated now. First of all, we need to create environment to install Shodan. So I'm just giving you the commands. You can just slow down and whatever are there, you can just follow that. Okay. So I'm just making entries. Okay. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a PDF. A PDF link I'll update in the description. Anyone can download it. So that PDF, that PDF is a kind of textbook or manual for the Shodan usage. Right? It will be a guide for you if you want to use it in detail. Okay. I'll share it. Just keep watching my video. Okay. So we have created environment. We just need to activate the environment of for that. Just for the purpose of Shodan, we are using this. Okay. So environment has activated and we named it as Shodan free. I mean, as I told, this is from free account. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is for Shodan installing. For anything general app install, Shodan will work. As I have already installed and created all these things, it is showing as already installed because before getting into video, I just want to practice once, so that I don't face any issues while shooting video. Okay. Now, the point is there are some lot of updates happened. So due to those updates, some tools are not properly included, which are relating to Shodan. So that's why I'm running one more command that helps you for the missing dependencies of Shodan. Okay. So this command will help you for missing details of some tools which are not upgraded properly. Okay. If you don't use this, it's not going to work well. Okay. As I already practiced, it is showing like this. Okay. Next to log in into Shodan, you need to enter your API key. Okay. So this will be command, and whatever the text you are seeing, just to your free API key here. So you need to replace that words with API key. Okay. I'm just showing you where it is. Okay. So just come to Shodan. After you log in, just go to developer button. On the top right corner, there'll be something called show API key. When you click that, you are going to get the API key. So after clicking that, I'm going to cut the video just to hide my API key. Okay. I don't want to show that. Okay. I have copied my API key. Now I'm pasting it here. Okay. So now I have included API key. Now it is showing as successfully initialized. So that means we have logged into the Shodan. And so now we can run some commands just to ensure that we are having access to Shodan. Okay. With the API key, we got the kind of response here. So according to this, we can understand that it was logged in, but just we'll see a few more commands what we can do. In the free account, I have already used the credit, so it was not there. I mean, if you are using for the first time for the month, then you might have few credits available here to run this. As at present, it becomes 0 because I already used those credits available just for the purpose of testing. So when you click Shodan My IP, it's going to show your IP too. See, I'm going to blur a lot of these things because I can't show you my credential or personal data here. I don't think that's proper thing to do so, because people are very highly intelligent. Anyone can do a lot of things. Okay, so Shodan count. I mean, how many open ports are there? Where the port number is 23, and from the country IN means India. So this will show. See, there are these many open ports from the India. Okay, as per Shodan. Now we can run this command, but I already lost some some of the credits, free credits available, so it most probably will give some negative results. So this is like Shodan search for 5 searches. It is limiting with port 80 and country US and product Apache. Okay, see, as I said, access designed because I already used all those credits available, because free credits are very limited. To demonstrate this video, I already used it, so ended up with nothing. So if you want to find the host of any IP address, you can use Shodan with this command, Shodan host and the IP address. See, this 8.8.8 is everyone knows about this IP address, and this belongs to Google. So I think there'll be no harm because it's known to everyone. Okay. See, DNS Google. It is showing all these different organization, country, and all. It is showing ports also. Okay. See, these ports and these TCP and UDP, these things are very important. Actually, previously I have completed Google cybersecurity certification course. So through that, I get to know about a lot of network protocol details, something like IPv4, IPv6, and much more details about it. I know a little, and by doing the course, I get to know much more. So I'll try to do a video on this. I mean, what is DNS attacks, and how when someone does DNS attacks like DOS, denial of service attacks, by making continuous pings or a kind of continuous shake and something like that. There are certain things we can do to get rid of that. So I'll make a video on that. What is internet protocols? Protocols are nothing but the rules. Nothing but the rules to be followed. Just like while you are going to office, you need to maintain a particular kind of dress, right? You need to have some ID card to go through that. Exactly like that. These protocols are like that. So I will make a video on that. I'll make very good video, okay? Because I already gone through that cyber certification course and I got to know a lot of things. In addition to that, I'll try to get much more info to make a video on that. See, that video is going to add knowledge to anyone who ever watches it. Because see, whenever I try to learn about some things, there will be something new which one knows and other people don't know. That's what I have observed. There might be you might have gone through a lot of in detail about a particular topic, but when the same topic has been perceived by some other person, there will be some new point of view, POV. Okay, so because of that, most of the cases you're going to get new ideas or new knowledge. I feel anyone who are watching this video is going to get that point of view. Okay, so don't miss that video. I'll try to make next video on that. Okay. Yeah, so this is DNS. We got it. All those things. 2 open ports are there. Oh, okay. Let's go to next one. So, see, whatever the filter command. See, if you see here in the top here, I have searched like this, right? So, likewise, you can run filter commands. Whatever possible. I mean, whatever in the qualifiers available in the Shodan. Okay. See. there is a command. I have created a Python small Python program which lists whatever the qualifiers you can use with the Shodan with the Shodan. What are the qualifiers you can use? It will list out based on the API key you have. You might have some premium paid API key, then you will get a lot more list. If you have free account, then you will have a limited list of API keys. Okay, so now I'll try to show that. I have created a Python program which will show whatever the API keys whatever the qualifiers you can use with this free account. But when you have a better API key, you can use much more. Okay. So this is the Python program I have created to find the whatever number of qualifiers you can access with your API key or your free account. Okay. So likewise, you will get the list. If you are having some premium account detail, then you will get much more qualifiers. Okay. So these are the qualifiers you can use as per the free account. Okay. So I am a little busy because of that certification. I'm also working on providing some customized apps whoever want it for a price, not for free. Absolutely. Initially, I started to give free, but it became too much work for me, so I started to charge people. Okay, so I'm going to launch some medical billing app which can be used in India. And if someone wants me to make a customized app which can be used completely offline within your PC, within your Windows or Linux, anything is fine. I can make for both the things. I can make a graphical user interface application, and that's anyone can use it. I'm slow. In few days, I'm going to launch the medical billing app which can be used in India. And if someone from other country wants me to make some other app application, particularly for their own customization or for their particular purposes, which can be used completely offline. As of now, going forward, I'm going to make some web application also, but as of now, I'm limiting here because of the kind of tasks I have. So kind of workload I have, kind of targets I have. So gradually, I'm going to make web apps also. But as of now, if someone need some customized desktop application or app or software, whatever you name it, I can help you with that. I can make you in the way you want it, customized way. Whatever the options you want, whatever the kind of print you want. It can be for data management or some calculations or anything. Okay, whatever you can do within your system, I'll try to make it up and help you out with that. Okay. So that's it for this video. See, you can go to my website. See, I'm going to share this shodanfilters.python file. If someone wants to know what are the qualifiers are there, okay. I'm also going to share a link about Python. This Shodan full textbook kind of reference PDF. I'll give you with proper proper guidance, index pages and all. That will be around 45 or 50 pages. I'll share that link also in the description. Okay, so see, if you want specifically topic related PDF kind of things, you download it now, because later I might delete it, because my intention is to make a complete manual, concluding all the things what I have explained in the video. Just like when you go to my website, you might see if you go to my resources, you will see Ubuntu pen testing. Okay, as I said, these are all the topics, right? So as of now, I am working on phase 2. So Shodan CLI, I'm going to update these 3 links. These topics I have already completed. So when someone click this topic, you are going to get the video for that topic. In phase 1, I have done few, but phase 2, I felt little interesting. I'll do phase 1 also. I have done few changes regarding this one also, but phase 2, I felt little interesting. So I'm going to do that. So most probably next video is going to be Census CLI and this FOFH1. These 2 are also there, but I'll try to make some video on network analysis. Network protocols. Okay, so that's going to help you a lot. Okay, I'll make a very good video. I'll try to make it because I already have good knowledge, and I'll try to do some background work on it to explain better, to know more better. There will be always something new which no one knows about a particular topic. That's my understanding. That's my point of view. So there will be always something new in the topic you already know. It can be a kind of utilization or something else. Okay. So that's why I'll try to make some more better content on that. Okay, it's going to helpful for everyone. See, whoever in the cybersecurity or for sure supposed to know about this network protocols, and I'm going to explain it. Okay, so that's it for this video. See, if someone wants to make me some app, so you can come here, click, see, come here, book consultancy. See, here instead of as well, you can click other purpose. Okay, other purpose. You mention whatever the purpose. I mean, whatever the thing you want to ask me. You mention your details. I'll try to make the customized app for you, and the price depends on the complexity of the app you are asking and the kind of options you are asking based on that. Okay. See, I have also made apps recently. I tried to make an experiment and successfully done that, which is making a Windows application on the very old operating system. I mean, not too much old. I mean, I tried on Windows 7. It could be used for XP also, I guess so. So Windows 7 applications also I can make, and I can make in for Windows 10 or 11 also. Okay. And I can make for Linux also. Okay, that's pretty easy. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If anybody wants some customized desktop applications, you can message me from here. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.